Hi everyone, this is Nibiru Watcher, June 13th, 2016, and I believe what we're looking at here is a trinary orbit planet, and these objects are the result of a trinary star system. The planets are actually behind the camera. The light that's projecting it is Nemesis. It is in the Aquarius star system. Let me show you a quick animation, then I'll go over this again, where this is coming from. Okay, and this is not a spot on the lens. Spots on the lens aren't going to move around. This is not a light show. Just watch. Okay, let me stop that for a second. Okay. Let me look at the definition of a trinary star system. It's not too complicated of an orbit, but basically in a trinary star system, basically a figure-8 configuration where stars will basically maintain an equal space from each other as they go in a figure-8 pattern, around and around, taking turns, diving into the center, almost like a binary, and they switch over. I would like to show you the animation at a later time. If I did a YouTube video on it from someone else's, I don't want to get flagged, but I will try and make an animation of this in the future. So let me go back to this webcam and go into the current view here. This has been going on for quite a few days. Let's just look at the site information real quick. We can see that this is in the southern part of Hirschinger. It's in Germany, facing the northwest. This is important. So let's look at this. What does that look like? So here is the current time in our solar system. Germany is presently in the dark side of the sun. This is happening right now. And so if we go and click on this, I love this new app because wherever I click is where the stars are on the solar system. Okay. So Germany sits just above Italy, right about here. And I said it was facing the northwest. That's the shadow of the northwest. So I believe it's coming from behind it. So the actual planetary system would be exactly the opposite of southwest, would be northwest is southeast. And that would put us in Aquarius, which I believe they're doing a lot of chemtrailing. This line you see here is the horizon, and this red line here is our planetary orbit. This is where the planets are. This is roughly along this line here. Notice it's in behind Neptune in Aquarius, where I showed on my true orbit of Nibiru to be basically going to be going through the Earth ecliptic, while the Earth and Neptune will be in alignment. Let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, so this is the actual time what we have right now. It is June 13th. As we push the sun around, there will be an alignment that will put the moon and Neptune and with an alignment at basically August 31st. So here we have the water constellation with a planet with water and the sun. I believe somewhere about this time that there's going to be a sign or a passing through the Nibiru system. So when we try to not imagine it's a more complicated orbit than just a simple planet that swings up through the asteroid belt, as I said in my previous video, heading towards, well, again, in my previous video, I said that it was coming from Orion's. This is my theory, it seems. Anyways, coming up through our ecliptic, and then coming through the asteroid belt on the left, and then coming through, here's the planet Ceres, by the way. So this little planet, that is Ceres. Used to be a much bigger planet. I believe it was hit when it came up through from the Orion's belt down here from the south, coming at us at a 24-degree angle, then basically heading towards Serpens, swinging back around, and